Okay, hello everybody. My name is Miriam Taxidor, and today I'm going to show you, if you see my other videos, you'll understand. I was talking about cutting this piece of glass from a pattern of a stained glass window that I'm doing, and I still needed a piece of glass. So I cut out, the pattern, and I cut this all out by hand. All this has been cut out by hand. But this part right here, it makes it more difficult when you're using a handheld glass cutter. So what I'm going to do is I have purchased a Taurus 3, which is this. It's called a Taurus 3 ring saw, and it has a diamond blade, so you can actually cut glass and also cut even tiles with this. So this is worth the money. If you love to do stained glass and you want to get in depth into stained glass, this is the perfect tool to do some really cool designs with it, because you can do much more than with the handheld. So here we're going to do this part right here. We're going to cut this with the Taurus 3, and it's going to give that nice, it's going to cut that really nice off, and maybe somehow trim that a little bit. But this is, I just want to show you how the Taurus 3 works. And I hope that you can see this well. Sometimes when you're cutting it, you're gonna have, sometimes these lines might erase. So you're gonna have to either do this quick, or maybe have to stop and look at your pattern again, retrace it in your pattern, and bring it back in. So those are things to look at. I'm kind of just gonna go and eyeball it. Hopefully I'll be able to do it once, and that's it. So it's gonna be noisy, but if you want to see how it works, then stay with me, okay? We'll do this quick. You see the water running? See what I'm saying? It already washed it off, so I can't even see it. So I might have to go back into the pattern and get that design back in, the line. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean it off, the glass, dry it off, and go back to my workspace and get that pattern back. Well, not workspace, this piece right here. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to trace it again. You see it? And I'm just going to make it now with the marker. I found my black marker. I was looking for it on the other video. So